In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a slider to your web page using the Hostinger Website Builder. If you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal or simply want to create a more dynamic and interactive environment for your visitors, adding a slider is a fantastic option. Best of all, this process is straightforward and intuitive, even if you're a beginner. To begin, navigate to the web page where you want to add the slider. As you hover over the different sections of your page, look for the point where you want this new slider section to be inserted. Adding a slider between two existing sections can help break up content while drawing the viewer's attention. Once you find the perfect spot, you'll notice an Add Section button appear on the screen. Clicking on this button is your first step to introducing a slider. After clicking to add a section, you'll be greeted with a menu offering a variety of choices. From this menu, select Slideshow. By choosing the slideshow option, you're opting for a visually engaging way to display content, which could include images, text, or a combination of multimedia elements. Simply click on the slideshow thumbnail to insert it into your page. It's that easy. You'll see that the slider is now part of your page, sitting neatly between the sections you've chosen. With the slideshow section now part of your page, it's time to customize its settings. Click on the newly added slideshow section to access its settings menu. Here, you're given a plethora of customization options. Tailor the content by uploading your desired images or include text to complement your visuals. Adjust the appearance to align with your website's aesthetic, whether you're changing colors, fonts, or the transition style of your slides. Don't forget to explore additional options in the settings menu. Perhaps you want to modify the transition speed or add descriptive captions to each slide to provide context for your visitors. As you make these adjustments, you'll see your slideshow take form, turning into an engaging feature unique to your site. Remember, the power is in your hands to enhance your website's user experience, making it not only a place for information, but a space for interaction and engagement. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, take a moment to preview your changes. This final step ensures everything appears exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it, a flawlessly integrated slider on your Hostinger website, ready to captivate your audience. You've now added an exciting dynamic feature that can enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your site. Congratulations on enhancing your digital space.